What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Makaylaj, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing yet another try on haul. I keep just buying clothes. But yeah, so today's try on haul is going to be from Shein. It's not really like a big try on haul. It's rather small, few items, just like staple pieces that I felt like I wanted to get, and a few cute pieces that I'm glad that I end up getting. I'm just gonna put it out there. Disclaimer, there's gonna be one bathing suit that's missing from this haul because I'm gonna be going on vacation. I'm gonna be wearing that swimsuit on my vacation, and I don't want y'all to see it before I get a chance to post a picture in it. So that will be featured in an upcoming vacation try on haul slash lookbook. Yeah, so you will get to see the bathing suit, you just won't get to see it today. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification button so you be notified when I post my next video, and let's just get into the haul. Okay, so we just jumping right in, and we're gonna start off with a banker. We're gonna start off with a swimsuit. So I got a three-piece, actually, correct yourself, girl. I got a three-piece swimsuit. It's just like undercut wired marble swimsuit. I got it in a size small, I believe. Yes, I got it in a size small. So it's like this blue watercolor. Isn't it super cute? It's like the base of it is kind of like white, and then it has like all this marbling of blues and gold, and you see like the navy and the black. So that's the Underwire swimsuit top. I'm not a fan of it. The wiring, I don't know, it's just not my favorite, but it does serve its purpose. So I thought it was cute. And then next I got these bikinis. They're really super high cut. And then the backs, they're not really like cheeky in my opinion. They could be cheekier, but if you are someone who likes to wear like briefs or like something that covers your entire bottom, then I will say the third piece of this outfit is gonna be your best friend. But the bottoms are super high cut, so you might want to shave real good, get a wax, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you're insecure about wearing high cut things, then this might not be the swimsuit for you. But moving on to the third piece, we have a matching sarong. I think that's what it's called. I could be saying this wrong and I'll be looking like a dummy. I'll correct myself on the screen if I'm saying this wrong, but I think it's called a sarong. But if not, we can call it a skirt. But it's a matching skirt, same print. And then it just ties on the side. I thought it was super cute. So like I said, if you feeling like you showing too much, then you could just always tie this around because it's gonna cover your behind. And if you feeling like you might have just ate something, you know what I'm saying, you feeling a little bloated or like a little bit, tie this around your waist and it's gonna cover up a little something. So yeah, I got this in a size small, three-piece set, so everything came in a size small and it fit perfectly. I enjoyed this swimsuit, and I just all right. So the next two items that I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm actually going to pair them together, so when you see me trying them on, it's gonna look like an outfit. So basically I end up getting, you know, those silk tops that have like the scoop like this. So this one ties around the neck like a halter top, and then okay, the strings are kind of like, I had to put this top together when I bought it basically, so that's why it's looking a little janky. But it ties around the top, and then it also ties on both sides, so it's giving around the neck, and then it's going to be strapped around the back. And then you also can bring it back around the front because the string is super long. So it's really up to you how you want to tie it. But this blue, wrong way, this blue color was just really pretty to me. So kind of like a bandana, but like as a top. So yeah, I got this top and I got it in a size small, fits perfectly. And then I got these pants. Everybody knows the like split hem leather pants is like a thing right now. And so I was watching Glenn Bazante's YouTube video, and she did like a Shein haul, and she got these pants and said that they fit perfectly. I ordered some off of Fashion Nova in a size small, could not fit them. They were huge, too long. And I'm not even like quite skinny, not no more. So I just didn't understand. I ended up giving away to one of my friends. But these pants right here, baby, I fit these like a glove. So yeah, they're super wrinkly right now because I washed them. Because alert, disclaimer, they come with a fishy smell, and I could not get the smell out. I put baking soda all in the pants because I wanted to wear them before I had to wash them, so then they wouldn't look like this. But I tried putting baking soda in the inside of the pants. I tried everything, aired them out like they said, did not work. They smell when they come, but after you wash them, the smell is like no longer here. Like there's no sign of it ever smelling fishy. And it's really not like a fish smell, but like that's what I can relate it to, because you know pleather always has a smell, or normally it does. So yeah, these definitely smell. They fit me pretty good. They're not like super long. I could wear them with heels and I could wear them with sneakers. They have the split hem at the bottom and they zip on the side here. There's a functional zipper. And so I would say they fit true to size. I got a size small. I weigh 140, so you can use that as a reference, and I'm only 5'2", so when you see them in the mirror, you will see how long they are on me, how they fit. They fit like fit, not no room for me to grow and not no room for me to get small because they're gonna be too baggy. So yeah. All right, so for this next outfit, I got the same pants I had in black in a more chocolatey brown. They did come in a darker shade, but I prefer this shade. They're unzipped, so I got these in a size small as well. And they come up pretty like high. I forgot to mention that with the black ones. They come up pretty high on your stomach, like at least to your belly button or a little bit higher. It just depends on what your midsection is looking like. So like I said, same exact pants as the black one, so I'm not really gonna go into detail. They fit exactly just how the other ones did. And so basically I just paired it with this cute top, or it was cute on the website, and then I don't know how I'm feeling about it in person. Maybe because I tried it on and I was looking like I was having a bummy day and I tried it on, but I don't know, it's still growing on me. But it's just basically like this halter top. I'm trying to hold it up. This halter top like this, so it ties around the neck or buttons around the neck. It fastens, so it has this like this. They fasten together, and I'm really like a high neck turtleneck kind of girl, so you know I had to get it stopped. And then it has like those cutouts under the boobs. It's almost like a corset, and then like the bottom is silk. I thought it was super fly, cute. Maybe because I'm trying to pair it with these pants. I would not wear this outfit together. I'm just gonna try it on together. I thought it was gonna look good together, but when I had it on, didn't want it. So I got this in a size small as well. The shirt to me could fit a little bit better in my opinion, being the fact that no one's gonna wear a bra up under this, like, you know what I'm saying? Or you could, I guess, a strapless bra, but it just depends on how it's cut on you because the entire back is out except for this part. So I personally wouldn't wear a bra with it, so I needed it to fit a little bit more tight. Like this material, it's that rib material that when it stretches, it doesn't really like snap back. So I just was really expecting better quality, I guess you could say, but it's still a cute top. It came in different colors, so yeah. I just paired these two together, and I mean, I still like them, so yeah, I'll link them down below. All right, y'all, so the last thing I got in this haul, my favorite piece. I was like on Shein in like the mobile app, you know, putting stuff in my cart, I'll be throwing stuff in my cart, taking it out of the cart, then I'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna get it, and I'll be like, okay, no, save it for later, go on my save it for later, and then putting stuff in the cart and then taking that out. So, you know, I was just like doing too much. And so I came across, like, you know, there's a page on Shein where it's like last sale or like final call, you know what I'm saying, like that type of thing. So this is a dress, and the dress was on there, and I was looking and I was just like, like this is giving different, but like at the same time it's fly. Like you got to be the right person. Like somebody can really freak it, but you got to really know what you're doing. So I got this dress, y'all. It's a like a pleather dress. It ain't real leather now, and I got it in a size small. It was on sale for, I want to say like $10 or $20. So it looks like this. You're probably like, what the heck are you showing? So yeah, it looks like this. It's like a leather dress basically. So imagine like a trench coat. You're gonna see it in the try on better than I can explain it, but it's like a trench coat, and it has buttons down the front here, and then like it's really soft on the inside. There are cutouts on the sides of this dress, and then there's strings where you can adjust the scrunch so it can like scrunch to your body. Baby girl, this dress right here, y'all can't tell me I don't look good in this dress. I don't know where I'm going in this dress because like I said, it's real different, it's cute, and you have to wear this like in the cold time. You can wear this with some thigh boots, you can wear this with some heels, with a really cute nude bag. Like it's just so many different ways you can freak this dress, but I just had to get my hands on it because it was cute, and like you said, it was only like $10 last call because nobody thought it was cute or nobody wanted to freak it the way I'm gonna freak it. So yeah, what I will say though is that this part of the dress where the scrunches are, I had to go in here and cut, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but I had to cut the threads because this was not adjustable. Like, let me take it out real fast. So basically this scrunch wasn't able to be scrunched because they had already sewn it to a certain like amount, if that makes sense. So see how when I pull this, I'm able to scrunch the dress up. I wasn't able to do that at first when I got the dress. It was just like already sewn to like in a specific adjusted amount. So with me, my waist is like kind of like, it ain't super snatched, but it's snatching up. So I had to scrunch it a little bit more to get that like sexy appeal that I wanted. So like I said, I had to go in and snip the seams and basically like cut what they had already sewn, so then I could adjust it even more, if that makes sense. You might think that's a little bit too much to be trying to do, but I mean, at this point I already had the dress. I was just gonna do what I had to do. You might not even need it when you try it on, depending on how the dress fits on you, or if it's even still up there. Dang, I didn't even think about that. You might not even get this dress. Anyways, it was cute, so I wanted to show y'all. But yeah, depending on how it fits on you, you might not even need to scrunch it. So yeah, but I just wanted to throw that out there in case you did get the dress and you like, why can't I adjust or like scrunch up the strings, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that was the last thing that I got. The end of this little mini haul. I told y'all it was gonna be short, not really that many things. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you enjoyed it. Hit that post notification bell if you forgot to in the beginning of the video. Do it now so you be notified when I post my next video, because I'm about to be going on vacation, y'all. We getting ready to be posted. And I know I say that every single time, but I'm for real. I want to take y'all along with me on my vacation, and I'm gonna vlog leading up to it and vlog there, and it's just gonna be so much fun. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.